How has it been dealing with the boys at Plyman?
Dealing with the boys at Plyman, well, the whole crew, well, they make themselves easy to use for a start. Great product knowledge, really, really friendly. They don't mind if I park my big ugly truck in the way. And just a smooth running operation. People are fine. Obviously got a nice culture.
Colour's reasonably close. It's sort of an in between. You could probably go for either.
We use a lot of Remu veneer, Remu coloured veneer, and we like the quality here because Wayne, who does the lay-ons, is really hot on book matching and just giving us the product that we can work with and sells really well for us.
Yeah, actually quite nice. It was nice clean cut, edges rounded up nicely. Veneers, yeah, stayed intact even after cutting and routing. Yeah, it was good. Oh, absolutely, yeah. Yeah, well, when it comes to ply, I think hands down, second to none. Yeah, product's always good.
Good man. Awesome, thank you.